Hey food lovers, welcome back to Vineta's Kitchen, your go-to spot for all things delicious and creative in the kitchen. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Alright, so first off, we have the Buerk slow juicer and we're gonna be opening that. Okay, I've been waiting to get my hands on this and I can't wait to see how it works, how efficient it is. So let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. Let's find out what beauty awaits us.
But you're always on my mind. As I kneel before God, I remember you always. I've been praying.
Look at this sleek design. It's giving healthy lifestyle girls already. I'm so excited. You can see the excitement on my face, guys. I've been waiting for this for so long. I have had a juicer before this that wasn't extracting so well, okay, and this particular juicer promises to extract juice while maintaining and keeping the nutrients. So expect fresh, healthy and yummy drinks. Where else is Team Fresh Juice? Drop a juice emoji in the comments. And I'd like you guys to just listen to this beautiful composed song by my brother-in-law. I mean, this song gives me like chills each time I listen to it, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. So that is all about the juicer, and I can't wait to be showing you lots of recipes, lots of juice recipes in this space. And we're gonna move to the Sokany 8-liter stand mixer. If you love baking, this one is for you, and it is going to be a game changer right here on this channel. It was so heavy, and I can tell that this baby right here came ready for business.
There are seasons and there are times, never not in good time. I may not have been by you all the while. Through the
People can handle a whole patty cake, and it came with the wicks, the dough hook, the beater, and everything came beautiful. So the real question right here now is, which of this should I be trying out first? Let me know in the comments, and if this video hits 100 likes, I will drop a full demo video next.
Maybe guilty of the wrong.
Before you go, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Let's grow this foodie family. Like this video if you're loving this vibe. Share with a friend who needs this kitchen gadgets. See you in the next one. Until then, stay delicious.
You are coming out so strong, 'cause I've been praying for you. I've been praying.